Hey, well, welcome to our latest edition of the video magazine, not the Unity magazine, but the Unity newsletter video magazine. And we're coming up, well, we're sort of getting summery feelings. We're almost into May, and we're thinking about, we've got two particularly exciting events coming up quite soon. First, the workshop. We wanted to talk about the workshop.
Yes, Martin Nathaniel, Interfaith Minister, who has come several times to Maidenhead and given us talks on a Saturday, and also is a friend at Unity Birmingham now, will be here this month in May, and we're really looking forward to it, and we've made it so it can be a mini retreat experience here in Maidenhead. People are booking and staying in accommodation in the town on the Saturday night and then staying with us, coming out for a meal and then attending the service on the Sunday. So it's like a little mini retreat, and really looking forward to Martin coming again. He's a really sincere man, very much comes from his heart, and he speaks about his own experiences, which is so important in this. It's all about our awareness of oneness, which fits in perfectly with our language that we use today in Unity. So it's a warm invitation to those of you that haven't booked, that have been thinking about it. Please come, and even if you can only come for the day and you can't stay, we still love to share you. Being together in person is what being in Unity is all about, really. So this is a warm invitation to join us in May.
Great, and we've got another sort of live experience, family experience coming up a little bit later, which is, if possible, even more exciting than the one we've just described.
Indeed.
This is the celebration day,
Yes.
and celebrating a very important event this year.
Yes, we've got 100 years of Unity groups in the UK. Apparently the first registered group that Doreen Davenport has discovered in her research of Unity history were established in London and Bournemouth in 1919. People met and talked about metaphysics and the New Thought movement, but actually it was in 1919 that the first Unity groups were recorded. So we are celebrating that this year in Birmingham at our celebration day. We've moved it to Birmingham to be much more centrally located in the country. Lots of thoughts coming up about how we can make it a really exciting, interactive day. We're having all sorts of meetings, putting it all together. Tickets are just £5, and they include the cost for lunch this year. We've got a lovely buffet lunch being arranged for everyone. You can buy tickets online, you can show up on the day and pay at the door, although we are asking for advance bookings just to give us a guide for the food, how much food to order. But we're really looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot of fun, where there'll be some discussion about the history, but also where we are now and how we're moving forward. So yeah, we're really excited. It's kind of all of a sudden come into our minds that this is what we can do, and we're really working towards it. So you are warmly invited to come for the day. Birmingham, centrally located in the country, not far from New International, I think it is, station in Birmingham. So yeah, any questions, call us in the office. We're happy to help. There's more information online.
And lastly, we should mention, we have mentioned it before, but we've got a retreat coming up soon. Maybe we'll just add this to our newsletter this time,
Yes.
which is a silent retreat.
Yes. And I think the 2 days might have been, some people, a bit off-putting, 2 days of not talking, and I can relate to that. I know what it's like to feel like, how can I not speak for 2 days? So we have decided that if people are coming that would rather have 1 day of pure silence and then another day of quiet conversation, we can make it flexible so that those that want 2 days of silence can have that for sure. We will still have our group meditations and quiet times together. That's the heart of the silence, really. But for those that would like some informal conversation, just to see what topics come up, to share and to discuss and pray over, then we can make that adaptation too for the second day. So it's a long weekend. It's Friday to Monday in July. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to that.
Lovely. Okay, well, as you said, all these details are on the website, so please go to the website. And we will meet you again very soon, later on in the summer, when the summer really hits us with heat and sun.
Yes.
All right
absolutely.
then. Well, lovely to talk to you again, Kimerie.
Thanks, Steve.
Bye-bye.
Bye.